Hello and welcome. One of the key components of Angular applications are Angular services. In this video, we want to take a closer look at what Angular services are and why they are important. Angular services are singleton objects that are used to encapsulate logic, data, or functionality that is shared across the application. The main purpose of Angular services is to provide a way to centralize common functionality and make it reusable across multiple components without the need to recreate it in each individual component. One of the key benefits of using Angular services is the separation of concerns. Services allow developers to separate business logic from the presentation layer, making it easier to maintain, test, and update the application. This is particularly useful when dealing with complex applications with multiple components, as services can provide a single source of truth for shared data and functionality. Angular services can be created in several ways. The most common way is to use the injectable decorator to create a service class. The injectable decorator is used to specify that a class is an Angular service, and it is also used to specify any dependencies that the service may have. Once the service has been created, it can be imported and used in any component in the application. Another important feature of Angular services is the ability to inject them into components. Angular provides a dependency injection, DI for short, system that makes it easy to inject services into components. DI allows developers to avoid hard-coding dependencies, which makes it easier to test and maintain the application. Once a service is injected into a component, it becomes available to the component via its constructor, and it can be used throughout the component. One of the key benefits of using Angular services is the ability to share data and functionality between components. For example, a service can be used to manage the state of the application, such as the current user or the selected item. This service can then be injected into multiple components, allowing them to access and manipulate this shared data. This eliminates the need for each component to manage its own state and helps to maintain a consistent state across the application. In conclusion, Angular services are a powerful and essential component of Angular applications. They provide a way to centralize common functionality, separate concerns, and share data and functionality between components. They are easy to create, maintain, and test, and they allow developers to create scalable and maintainable applications. If you are developing an Angular application, it is important to understand the role and benefits of Angular services and to use them to make your application more organized, maintainable, and scalable. That's all on services for today. The idea of this series is that at the end of the series, we are going to create a full-blown application. We are going to use the knowledge we have acquired so far in this series to build a full-blown application. This application will seek to cover all of the key features of the Angular framework that we have covered in this series. If you like my content, Please like this video and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep learning. Bye for now. Peace. Peace.